Hello. Hey. Hi, it's your girl Atlanta. I hope you guys are well. Fresh face in this bee. I've decided, home from work, I've just finished my remote working thing, and I just kind of thought, you know what? I'm gonna make a YouTube video. Those of you that don't know me or whatever, I've got locks. I've had my locks now for, how long have I had them? I think 4 years, roughly, something like that. I've had them about 4 years. I have cut them, 4.5 years, I reckon. Yeah, I have cut them, not recently, I would say almost a year ago now. I cut them from kind of here region up to my shoulders. I don't know why I did that. I had a bit of a meltdown moment. I think I was gonna cut off my locks, and yeah, I just kind of lost my mind. So that is why that happened. But then once I actually cut it, I did instantly regret it. So I put some colour in it, and that's when I half bleached, kind of dip dyed my hair. So I just put bleach in it, and then I just colour it with semi-permanent crazy colour red. Me is my retwists don't last long, which is annoying. I think it's my hair texture. It's really strange. Before I had locks, I could have swore I was a 4D, like bypass 4C. My hair was thick, nappy, and like since I've got locks, I don't know if my hair's just getting a chance to relax. It's not being blow dried and put heat on, so it's just become more soft. So when I retwist it, it just kind of unravels. But anyway, we're gonna get into this thing there. I'm doing this tutorial as if you're super lazy like me. This is what I do. Don't take my word for it. Okay, so before we start off, I'm going to show you a list of just different things that I use. So first things first, before, when I first started my locks, I was using coconut oil because that's what I used on my loose natural hair. Mistake number one: coconut oil and locks, or coconut oil and my hair, are not friends. They don't deal with each other, yeah? So that's a no-go. So I switched to sheer butter. I don't know if you can see, you kind of see it better on this camera, but it's backwards. But so those of you in the UK, it's $3.99, cheap, from the hair shop. Just go to any local hair shop, mash-up shop, and you'll find this. It is 100%. Please make sure your shea butter is 100%, otherwise it's nonsense. And it's usually hard like this. You rub it in your hands, it melts, and it's a smooth thing. I use this in my hair. I use it to moisturize it. I use it on my skin. I use it to retwist. This is just, yeah, this is my thing. Next oil I mainly use is, in fact, hold on, let's readjust this. Is in fact my castor oil. It is Jamaican black castor oil, again just from the hair shop. This one is from Sunny Isle. I actually can't remember how much it was. Whenever I go to Jamaica, I actually try and get some more, because out there you can buy it for like next to nothing, literally. And obviously it's better quality because it's from home. But yeah, I use this castor oil. These are the two main oils that I use. Next thing, my cat's here. Fun. Come say hi to the peoples. Fiona. Oh, she's being a waste man. Look. Hello, come say hi. Okay, she doesn't care. Sorry. All right. Next thing I use is from Sheer Moisture. It's a little bit more pricey for my price range. It is Sheer Moisture Strengthen and Restorative Mask Treatment and Cream. Now, you're technically supposed to have this and then wash it out. It's specifically for natural, chemically processed or heat-styled hair. Obviously, my hair's dyed, so it's chemically processed. You're meant to use this and wash it out, but I don't. I leave it in my headpiece because it moisturizes as well. Another thing I use to actually moisturize my locks is Hello Hydration by Herbal Essence. And I put this in, and I kind of put this in as often as I kind of remember, because it gives it that boost that you need. Interesting about this, is when I first used it, I was like, this is not for like black hair. This is for Caucasian hair. But actually, it's the bomb. Like, it's actually really, really good as a conditioner in general. And I used this before I got my locks as well, so it's worked for both things. Here we're moving on to into the gels. Now, I don't like using gel too tough, but lately I've been using gel to retwist some of my hair. I've got 3 different gels here because I use a mixture of all different ones for different places. Because again, I've got different hair texture in different spots of my headpiece. But this here is Fantasia's Frizz Buster Straightening Gel. Controls frizzy, whatever, yeah. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Works great with heat appliances. Anyway, yeah. Other gel, this is like, well, it's not a gel, but it kind of like is that kind of consistency. It's, I don't really know what it is. Hair growth, strength, I don't know, but I put this in. It is Organic Fusion Olive Oil from Elastica QP, whatever. Basically, guys, for me personally, this is what I truly believe, products don't actually matter. They don't actually matter. It's what you do with it. I feel like different hair products, different hair. And this is something I've got recently because of recommendation from someone else. It's called, it's hair gel called Moco de Gorilla. It's a gorilla hair gel. And I used a little bit on my edges the other day and it held all day because I have afro hair and I'm jealous of all you black women that can just slip down your hair, walk out and it lasts all day. For me, it just back up. So we're going to see how this goes. So if you have locks, you need to buy these extra long hairbands because other hairbands, as you all know, a lot of people don't work. So I got these again from the same little, what Americans call beauty supply store, we call hair shop, little hair shop. I got it from the hair shop. So I'm going to split up and section my stuff. Cool. I now need to get a spray bottle and I kind of forgot to do that. So bear with me a second. This is so long. The reason why I'm doing this is I know that, I don't know if you're like me, but I'll go on YouTube and I watch all these amazing gurus, like different beauty gurus, hair stuff, like watch them and be like, wow. And I'm like, but I don't have those type of skill. My level of beauty kind of skill is very low. So I'm trying to give you a realistic, if I follow her routine, this is realistically what it's going to look like. Because I'm not giving you no super amazing things. I remember when I used to wear wigs and like I'd see wigs be done and be like, wow. But she like bleached the knots and did all of that. And it's like, oh, it's really easy to do. And I'm like, for who? Because it's not for me. But I've just got 2 more plaits basically from this last section, so I'm going to do those. 8. I'm twisting up my hair, and it's very long when you're twisting up that layer. And I got it in the bag, and I got it from the mail. Try my shit.
I'm a rapture. I don't move, but I'll touch ya. Follow me to the end of I. It takes a lot for your trust. I won't break it. No, I'm trying to make moves, and I wanna be your bride or die. So take your time, relax your mind. I got a lot for you, babes, 'cause you are that special kind. Bend back just a little for your darling. Wake you up with the sweetest.
Okay, guys. So I got distracted because I started to eat. I'm in a rush, and this stuff as well. So we here, but as you can see, I've got like this side done, and this side is like a C that doesn't end. I got thick hair, so we gon' carry on. We gon' do what we gon' do. We gon' move and we gon' move.
my stuff. Okay, alright guys, I'm gonna holler at you guys in the morning with it completely finished, what I look like, and then yeah, you know what I'm gonna do, because there's some little bits in here. I'm gonna put the tiny touch of what's in the lid on my brows. Okay guys, I'm gonna see you in the morning. Peace. Okay, good morning people, good morning, I don't know where to look. Hi guys, I hope you're well. I am really tired. If you cannot see it on my face, I'm really tired. But anywho, I'm here. I hope you guys are good. It's your girl. We're gonna see kind of what my hair is saying now as I kind of wrapped it up to go sleep and oiled it. But we'll see what it's like. We'll see if the gel stayed. You can help and witness with me if this Gorilla de Mocha or Mocha de Gorilla, the Gorilla Snot Gel, is actually good. We'll find out together.
I got time on my hands now. You sit by, so I stand on my own ground. You have changed, could barely recognize you. Made it rain when you said that all love is through. I go down right deep to the basement, and my heart's under pressure, I can't take it. You get joy from my sadness. How you gon' come here about a lost kiss? Whoa.
I want to welcome you to another Selection Radio episode, show 440.
Okay, so you can kind of see how it's turned out. The roots are really curly in the end. Because I was lazy. So I think in future I need to just make sure I have the same energy for the plait all the way down, because the curls are cute.
And then 3 to 4 hours later, we were still going. Played at least about 5 to 10 hours that day.
Okay, so the only thing would be to do this again, but I don't know if it's going to stay, because I don't think edges work on my hair. Like, it's still in there, but I don't want to over gel it. Do you know what I mean? You know what I'm going to try? This is why I'm going to try the last final bit of gel. If this doesn't work, I'm not going to bother. Forget it. This is Cream of Nature's Argan Oil. Yeah. We're going to see if this works. Hopefully it does. Where's my spray bottle? So again, toothbrush to slick, spray bottle to spray it. That's good enough. Welcome. So you saw the transformation. You can see my actual boxes now, my actual hair squares. I'll show you. Yeah, that's how you want your locks to look. Ideally, it'd be nice to have the curls all the way through, but we get it. Sasha Fierce. Maybe it's Maybelline. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's dreadlocks. Ooh. Anyway, catch me guys. I'm going to be doing videos more often. I can't tell you how often, because the video that you are going to be watching is going to be the first proper video I've edited. So who knows, it's going to take me how long to do this. But I'm going to be doing a few more. I think the next thing I'm going to do is my makeup routine, which is not much. Again, I'm not very girly, but we're trying. We're trying out here. Peace and love. Look after yourselves. Stay safe. Stay home. Be creative as you can. Try and make the best out of the scenario. I mean, we're not working. See what you can do in that time. Maybe you can pick up a new skill. Maybe you can learn to play the guitar. Maybe you can learn a new language. you know, let's be as productive as we can be. Anyway, peace, light, love. Peace out.